Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, trip computer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.